माई सेल्फ हितेश पागरानी और आज मैं अपनी वीडियो में बिग डेटा एनालिटिक्स के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन की सीरीज का पार्ट 3 जो है वो लेकर आया हूं। मैंने पहले से पार्ट 1 एंड पार्ट 2 अपलोड कर दिया है, आप उसे देख सकते हैं और आप अपने एमसीक्यूज दे सकते हैं। उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप अपने आरटीयू के एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपरेशन कर सकते हैं, जो कि 23 सितंबर को होने वाला है। इसके साथ मैंने और भी कई सारी ऑफ कैंपस ड्राइव, टीसीएस के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस एंड टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस, काफी सारी ड्राइव्स मैंने अपलोड कर रखी है, तो प्लीज आप इसे देखें और मेरे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें। तो आज हम अपनी बिग डेटा एनालिटिक्स के आगे के एमसीक्यूज क्वेश्चंस कवर करने वाले हैं। सो 31st क्वेश्चन है, SDFX वर्क्स इन ए विच फैशन? सो देयर आर 4 ऑप्शंस: वर्कर मास्टर फैशन, ऑप्शन नंबर बी मास्टर स्लेव फैशन, ऑप्शन नंबर सी मास्टर वर्कर फैशन, ऑप्शन नंबर डी स्लेव मास्टर फैशन। सो द आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी, मास्टर स्लेव फैशन। तो आपको ये स्क्रीनशॉट्स भी लेके रख ले आपको अपने फ्यूचर रेफरेंस के लिए। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 32, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर द गोल्स ऑफ SDFS? So there are 4 options: fault detection and recovery, use data set, hardware data, and all of the above. So the answer is all of the above. Question number 33, name node is used when the primary name node goes down. Option number A, rack, data, secondary, and option number D is both A and B. So the answer is C, secondary. Secondary name node is used when the primary name node goes down. Option number 34, the minimum amount of data that SDFS can read or write is called a data node, name node, block, or none of the above. So the answer is option number C, block. The minimum amount of data that SDFS can read or write is called a block. यहाँ मैंने explanations भी आपको दे रखी हैं, तो आपको ताकि आपको आसानी रहे क्वेश्चन को समझने में। क्वेश्चन नंबर 35, for every node commodity hardware system in a cluster there will be a data node, name node, block, and none of the above. So the answer is option number A, data node. For every node commodity hardware system in a cluster there will be a data node. Question number 36, which of the following is not feature of SDFS? Option number A, it is suitable for the distributed storage and processing. Option number B, streaming access to file system data. Option number C, SDFS provide file permission and authentication. Option number D, Hadoop does not provide a command interface to interact with SDFS. So the answer is option number D, Hadoop does not provide a command interface to interact with SDFS. Explanation: the correct feature is Hadoop provides a command interface to interact with SDFS. Question number 37, SDFS is implemented in which language? So there are 4 options: Perl, Python, Java, and C. So the answer is option C, Java. SDFS is implemented in Java language. SDFS is implemented in Java, and any computer which can run Java host name node or data node on it. Question number 38, during startup the which blank space load the file system state from the FS image and the edit log file. So there are 4 options: data node, name node, block, and action node. So the answer is option number B, name node. Because SDFS is implemented on any computer which can run Java, can host a name node data node on it. Question number 39, point out the correct statement. You can run pig in either mode using the pig command. Option number B, you can run pig in batch mode using the grunt shell. You can run pig in interactive mode using the FS shell, and none of them mentioned. So the answer is you can run pig in either mode using the pig command, the pig bin script, or the Java command .pigzar. So the answer is option number A. Question number 40, pig operates in mainly how many nodes? 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the answer is option number A, pig operates in only 2 modes: interactive mode, name node and data node. You can run pig executive, pig latent statement, and pig command using various interactive and batch mode also. Question number 41, which of the following is not a complex data type in Hive? Option number A, matrix, correct. Option number B, array. C, struct, and none of the above. So the answer is option number A, matrix, correct. Question number 42, each database created in Hive is stored as a directory, a file, a SDFS block, and a jar file. So the answer is option number A directory. Question number 43, if the schema of the table does not match with the data types present in the file containing the table, then Hive automatically drop the file, automatically correct the data. Option number C, reports null value for mismatched data. And option number D, does not allow any query to run on a table. So the answer is report null values for the mismatch data. Question number 44. What Hive cannot offer? Option number A, storing data in tables and column, online transaction processing correct, handling date time data, and partitioning stored data. So the answer is online transaction processing correct. Hive can't offer online transaction processing correct. Question number 45. The distributed by clause in Hive. Option number A, comes before the sort by clause, comes after the sort by clause, does not depend on position of sort by clause, and option number D, cannot be present along with the sort by clause. So the answer is option number A, comes before the sort by clause. Question number 46. By default, when a database is dropped in Hive, so there are 4 options. Option number A, the tables are also deleted, the directory is deleted if there are no tables, the SDFS blocks are formed, and option number D is none. So the answer is the directory is deleted if there are no tables in the SDFS. Question number 47. Hadoop input output comes with a set of blank space for data input output. Option number A, methods, option number B, commands, option number C, classes, and option number D, none of the mentioned. So the answer is none of the mentioned. Question number 48. What is the default SDFS block size? 32 MB, 64 KB, 128 KB, and 64 MB. So the answer is 64 MB. Question number 49. The mechanism used to create replica in SDFS is gossip protocol, replicate protocol, SDFS protocol, and option number D, store and forward protocol. So the answer is option number C, SDFS protocol. The mechanism used to create replica in SDFS is SDFS protocol. Question number 50. Namenode tries to keep the first copy of data nearest to the client machine. Always true, always false. True if the client machine is the part of the cluster. True if the client machine is not part of the cluster. So the answer is option number C. True if the client machine is the part of the cluster. Then Namenode tries to keep the first copy of the data nearest to the client machine. Question number 51. Pig is a programming language, data flow language, query language, and database. So the answer is data flow language. Option number B. Pig is a data flow language. Question number 52. Pig is good for data factory operation, data warehouse operation, implementing complex SQLs, and creating multiple datasets from a single large dataset. Option number E, both A and D. So the answer is option number E, both A and D, data factory operations and creating multiple datasets from a single large datasets. Question number 53. Pig can be used for real-time data updates. True or false? So the answer is option number B, false. Pig can be used for real-time data updates? No, Pig can't use for real-time database updates. Question number 54. Which of the following is component of Hadoop? Option number A, Yarn. Option number 2, SDFS. Option number 3, MapReduce, and option number 4, all of the above. So the answer is all of the above options, Yarn, SDFS, and MapReduce. Question number 55. Actually वो question number 55 था. Question number 56. Blank space can be described as a programming model used to develop Hadoop-based applications that can process massive amounts of data. Option number A, MapReduce. Option number B, MapHout. Option number C, Osier, and option all of the mentioned. So the answer is MapReduce. So thank you friends for watching this video. Oh, एक को question है, sorry. Hadoop is a framework that works with a variety of related tools. Common controls include, so there are 4 options: MapReduce, Hive, HBase, MapReduce MySQL and Google Apps, MapReduce Hummer and Lugana, and MapReduce Heron and Trumpet. So the answer is MapReduce, Hive, and HBase. Option number A. So thank you friends for watching this video. Please मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, मुझे बहुत सारे सब्सक्राइबर्स की नीड है. और जो बिग डेटा एनालिटिक्स का जो सेट 2 है, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था पहले ही, मेरे पास 2 सेट है, सेट 1 एंड सेट 2. तो सेट 1 जो है अब कंप्लीट हो चुका है. सेट 2 की वीडियोस जो हैं जो मैं वो भी अपलोड करने जा रहा हूँ. कुछ ही देर में आपको सेट 2 की वीडियोस भी मिलने वाली है. उसके बाद हम सॉफ्ट कंप्यूटिंग के नोट्स सारे अपलोड करेंगे. So thank you friends for watching this video. Please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.